Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use the Puzzle.io. The very first thing that we should do here is we just have to open any of our web browser, and then we just have to search for Puzzle.io and we'd be redirected to this website. So here we can log in with our Google account. So click on this one. Okay, and then after that, right here, just have to click on next. So for step number 1, you just have to tell them about yourself. So what is your position? And then you have to select your country and put here your active mobile number. Then how you hear about them. So you can just select any of this. So I'm just going to select maybe Google and then click on next. So for step number 2 is your company details. So for the company name, you just have to put it right here. And for the time zone, you just have to select the time zone. And here you can import historical accounting data if you already have. And then for the entity type, you just have to select yours. Okay, and then click on next after that. And for step number 2 is your industry. Okay, so maybe we are going to select e-commerce. So it depends on your industry. I'm going to select e-commerce right here and then click the next after that. And then for the revenue model, we have this. You just have to use the help categorize your revenue transactions more accurately. So for example, subscriptions, we do not generate revenue yet, or transaction-based other. So I'm just going to select subscription and click to next. Next is a payroll. So what payroll provider do you use to pay your employees and your contractors? So here, maybe we are going to use Square or others. It depends on you. And then for the monthly expenses, I'm just going to select this less than 10,000 a month and click on next after that. Okay, so just wait a couple of seconds. And then for step number 7 is you have to connect your banks. Okay, so I'm just going to skip this part for now. Okay, so right here, let us now talk about the Puzzle.io. So that's how you can create your account. So here, let us start with this one. Okay, so here, intuitive onboarding, no expertise required. So self-guided onboarding, we have a smarter accounting, and then real-time insights. Okay, so advancement in AI, data, and software allow us to make accounting faster and more accurate at the same time. So we're the real-time insights. So eliminate your financial landscape instantaneously. And then here, stress-free compliance on-demand experts. So impeccable records for taxes and fundraising, monthly, quarterly, or annual bookkeeping, and R&D tax credits. Okay. So a solution for every stage, whether self-guided to save money or regular review. Now for the accounting that makes sense, to know your real cash and latest startup metrics. So dive into Puzzle's intuitive insights, empowering you with a nuanced understanding for well-informed decision-making on your financial journey. And then, of course, verifiably accurate. So rely on Puzzle's unwavering dedication to delivering precise and trustworthy financial information. And see the complete picture right here. Okay. For the resource, we have this one. So next is the scale apps. Okay, so speed or accuracy. So for the accounting that scales, we have Cash for founders, Accruals for accountants, and everyone wins. So verifiably accurate, ensuring precisions in financial insights and collaboration tools to align, fostering unity in financial strategy. Okay, so we have here revenue recognition, automated accrual schedules, real-time insight and trends, and AI accuracy review. So built native to a modern stack, the security you deserve. And then here, you just have to get started if you want to, start with this one. Next is the small business. Okay, so smarter finance made simple for small businesses. Okay, so small businesses everywhere choose Puzzle. So we have advertising, agriculture, and many more. So here, effortlessly bookkeeping automated in real time. And then instant financial reports. We have the cash flow insights at a glance. and tax-ready financials without the stress. And the full-service bookkeeping and tax with certified partners and complete your modern accounting stack. Okay, so we also have here a comparison between the Pazzle and the QuickBooks, so you just have to read that one as well. Now for the buy users, we have the for founders, for accounting firms, and for accountants. So here, let's click on the for accountants. Okay, so make better business decision. It will Pazzle will help you fundraising and investor reporting, stay compliant, and then save time as well. Okay, so you have here the full details, the fundraising, stay compliant section, and save time. So the Pazzle.io is an AI-driven accounting platform built specifically for startups and early-stage companies. Okay, so this one is good for really small businesses. Okay, so they also have the Stripe, effortless revenue recognition. Okay, they also have the AngelList, and then the Brex. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so let's go for the accounting firms. Okay, so let's just proceed to the for accountants. Speed the close process take on more clients. I'm just going to select the I'm accountant and we'll be able to see here now the details. So the Pazzle difference. So time saving features. So we have fixed asset, deferred revenue, and prepaid automation. So say no more to spreadsheets. You just have to create your depreciation or amortization schedules. Next, this one is more accurate books. So you have more accurate books right here, math and accuracy reviews. So it took your month and closed checklist and added checks and balances. So the platform integrates natively with tools like Stripe, Brex, Ramp, Mercury, Gusto, Rippling, Bill.com, and more, bringing together banking, payroll, invoicing, and payment data in one system. So the setup is fast and user-friendly with guided onboarding, self-service account configuration, and even QuickBooks migration support, and enables most companies to close books 50 to 75% faster. Also, the Pazzle's dashboard offer a powerful insight at a glance. So auto-generated financial statements, variance analysis, spend revenue explorers, AI-driven flex analysis, and customizable metrics. Partner bookkeepers can review and finalize statement within the system, offering audit-ready, traceable financial data backed by an immutable general ledger. So while it automates 85 to 95% of tasks, expert involvement is still recommended for complex reporting, investor diligence, or tax filing. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.